Halloween trees are taking over, and we're here for it. Whether you're upcycling your Christmas tree or starting from scratch, a Halloween tree is a perfect way to showcase your spooky style. From gothic glam to kid-friendly fun, let's explore how to turn any tree into a frightfully fabulous centerpiece. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Where should I place my Halloween tree? Put it in a window, corner, entryway, or next to your candy station. Even small trees look great on tables or mantels. Just make sure it's visible and adds to the Halloween vibe. Spot on spooky? Tap like if your tree's in the perfect place. What's a cool tree topper for Halloween? Try witch hats, skulls, spiderweb stars, or spooky phrases like boo or eek. Make your own topper using cardboard, lights, or even a stuffed animal in costume. Top it off right, like this if your tree's getting crowned. What lighting works best on a Halloween tree? Use orange, purple, green, or flickering LED string lights. Try battery-powered mini lanterns or candle-shaped bulbs for a haunted glow that brings your tree to life. Let there be fright. Like this if spooky lighting's your style. What kind of tree should I use for Halloween decor? Use a black, white, or even bare branch tree as your base. Repurpose an artificial Christmas tree or grab a small tabletop version. The more neutral, the better for spooky accents. Picking your perfect tree? Tap like if you're setting the base. What are some unique ornament ideas? Use eyeballs, bats, spiders, coffins, tiny tombstones, and themed ribbon. Craft your own using foam, felt, or glitter. Mix textures and sizes for a full layered effect. Ornament overload? Tap like if your branches are filling up. What are some great color themes for a Halloween tree? Classic orange and black always work, but purple, green, and silver add flair. Try monochrome themes or neon pops to match your Halloween style. Fun, creepy, or elegant. Craving color combos? Like this if your theme's coming together. What about a ghost-themed Halloween tree? Use white lights and mini ghost ornaments. Add gauze draping, floating eyes, and smiling spirits. A ghost topper or glow-in-the-dark accents keep it fun and friendly. Feeling haunted? Like this if ghostly trees make you grin. How can I decorate with pumpkins on the tree? Use mini plastic or foam pumpkins in various colors. Hang them with ribbon or hooks. Painted pumpkins with faces or glitter details add character and autumn vibes. Pumpkin perfection? Tap like if you're adding these to yours. How can I decorate a tree with a witch theme? Add mini broomsticks, tiny cauldrons, and witch hats. Use green lights or dangling potion bottles. Top with a crooked witch hat or flying broom for that extra magical touch. Spellbound by style? Tap like if you're going witchy this year. How can I create a kid-friendly Halloween tree? Use bright colors, soft plush ornaments, smiling ghosts, and cartoon characters. Add felt candy corns, happy pumpkins, and LED lights instead of anything too spooky. Sweet, not scary? Like this if kids are part of the fun. Can I make a skeleton-themed tree? Yes, wrap the tree with faux bones, skull garlands, and skeleton hands. Add black ornaments and top with a spooky skull or rib cage to give it a bony, bold personality. Bare bones beauty? Like this if skeletons are your go-to. Can I decorate a Halloween tree on a budget? Yes, use dollar store finds, DIY crafts, recycled ornaments, and printed cutouts. Paint old Christmas balls black or orange and add glitter or stickers for a Halloween twist. Saving while styling? Like this if budget's no barrier to spooky. A Halloween tree is more than just a trend. It's a fun, flexible way to show off your spooky spirit. Whether you go creepy, cute, or classic, your tree can set the mood and make Halloween extra memorable. Inspired to branch out? Like and subscribe for more haunted ideas.